To fix the Frigidaire washer E5 error code, start by understanding what it means. The E5 error code typically indicates a problem with the washer's door latch or lock system. This code can be caused by a faulty door switch, a malfunctioning latch, or a problem with the wiring that connects these components. First, check the door latch and switch for any signs of damage or wear. Make sure the door is properly aligned and the latch is engaging correctly. If the latch is damaged, it may need to be replaced. If the door switch is faulty, it can be tested with a multimeter to determine if it is working correctly. Next, check the wiring that connects the door switch and latch to the control board. Look for any signs of damage, such as cuts, frays, or burn marks. If the wiring is damaged, it will need to be repaired or replaced. If the problem persists, it may be necessary to reset the washer's control board. This can be done by unplugging the washer from the power outlet, waiting for 30 seconds, and then plugging it back in. This will reset the control board and may clear the E5 error code. In some cases, the E5 error code may be caused by a problem with the washer's control board itself. If the control board is faulty, it may need to be replaced. This is a more complex repair that may require the assistance of a professional. To prevent the E5 error code from occurring in the future, make sure to regularly check and maintain the door latch and switch. Also, ensure that the washer is properly installed and leveled, as an uneven installation can put strain on the door latch and switch. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Frigidaire washer E5 error code and get your washer working properly. Again, remember to always follow safety precautions when working with electrical appliances. And if you are not comfortable with DIY repairs, it is recommended to seek the assistance of a professional.